What is paragraph of analogy? Paragraph of analogy explains a concept or an idea through analogy. Analogy means to compare an unfamiliar idea to a common and more familiar object. So the purpose is to describe an abstract idea by comparing it to a more concrete example. So based on the reading text that we have read, we draw an analogy between Kopi sama Ketup to the pantun, which Kopi sama Ketup is more unfamiliar to us, so we use pantun to understand it better. To draw an analogy, we use be like and be similar to in the topic sentence. For example, the Kopi sama Ketup, a colorful hat from Aceh, is like the Indonesian rhyming poem, the pantun. So in here, we relate how Kopi sama Ketup is similar to pantun using is like, which is be like. We use transitional marker. Transitional marker is a word or phrase placed at or near the beginning of a sentence to indicate its relation to the preceding sentence. We have similarly, likewise, and in the same way. For example, a pantun gives flavor to a story. Similarly, a Kopi sama Ketup highlights a man's outfit. In here, the word similarly as the transitional marker indicated the similar idea between the two. Pantun gives flavor to a story, and the Kopi sama Ketup highlights a man's outfit. Next, we have adverbs. So besides transitional markers, we can also use adverbs, such as like and also. For example, a verse in a pantun has 4 lines. The Kopi sama Ketup also has 4 tiers of different colors, red, yellow, green, and black. So in here, we use also as the adverb. So also is to show that both of them has 4 elements to compare, 4 lines and 4 tiers. So how do we make the paragraph of analogy? So here's the outline. First of all, we use topic sentence, which to draw an analogy between the 2 objects or 2 ideas. And then after that, we put more supporting detail. And in here, we don't need a concluding sentence. Let me give you an example. This is the example of the supporting details. Based on the reading text that we have read, we have a Kopi sama Ketup as the unfamiliar idea with a pantun that is more familiar to us. So in here, we have the same idea between the 2 things. Kopi sama Ketup highlights a man's outfit, which has the same idea with pantun that gives flavor to a story. And then in here, to show the similarity, we use the word or the transitional marker similarly. Now, I want you to do number 2 until number 4. Thank you for the attention, and goodbye.